Hello, my name is Claudia Majo, and I will be presenting the methods section. To recruit participants, psychology professors from Fullerton College were given a link to the academics' belief survey using Google Forms platform for them to provide to their classes. All participants were students of psychology during the spring of 2024 at Fullerton College. There were 82 students who participated in the ABS to investigate the relationship between academic dishonesty and grade point average. There was no set place as to where the participant wished to take the survey since this was an online assignment. An approximate time of 10 to 15 minutes was provided to the participant, but there were no time constraints in taking the survey. In the event of the ABS being fully completed by the student, the professor offered extra credit and would request verification of their participation in the study. In the demographics section included a questionnaire to participants regarding their gender, 64 female, 16 male, 1 non-binary, 1 self-described and disclosed themselves as gender fluid, their ethnicity, 8 Asian, 7 Black or African American, 49 Hispanic or Latine, 1 Native American or Alaskan American, 16 white, and 1 person's ethnicity was not listed as Middle Eastern. The amount of years in college, 22 less than a year, 13 1 year, 22 2 years, 9 3 years, 5 4 years, 11 over 4 years. The students' ages were also requested, which they were able to enter their age in the provided section. Participant ages range from 17 to 47 years. In addition, the participant's current GPA from Fullerton College was collected. In case a participant was unsure of their GPA, a GPA calculator link was provided to them. In the academics belief survey, 10 perception, irrelevant, and reverse-coded statements were provided. Participants' responses were collected using a 5-point Likert scale where the selection of the number 1 indicated a response of strongly disagreeing and a selection of the number 5 indicated a response of strongly agreeing. Examples of statements were as followed. Perception, I regularly let someone else do my schoolwork for me. Irrelevant, I frequently spend time outdoors to clear my mind. Reverse-coded statements, I never let someone else do my schoolwork for me. The complete procedure of the study was the professor was provided with a Google Forms link to students to take the survey. Students were able to take the survey at any location since it was an online request. Once the student decides in participating, the survey presents with an informed consent, which lets the participant know the approximate time it will take them in taking the survey. They will be informed that statements regarding academia are being provided and to indicate the extent to which the student agrees or disagrees with the statements. Their participation will remain anonymous and the participant personal information will not be collected. The participant had the option of exiting the survey, but if they do not complete the survey at its totality, they may not be eligible for extra credit. They also are able to reach out to their professor with any questions regarding extra credit, or if they have any further questions or concerns regarding the study, they could contact Professor Devin Fell, and her email address was provided. They then answer a few demographic questions and are proceeded to the instruction section. The instruction section explained they would be reading statements indicating the extent which they agree by rating them on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 indicating they strongly disagree, and 5 indicating they strongly agree. They are also reminded that their participation will remain anonymous and their responses will be kept confidential and used for only research or academic purposes. They are then presented with the survey, and once the survey is completed, they are taken to the debriefing section. The participant is again thanked and is explained the purpose of the study and mentioned should they have questions or want to follow up on the results of the survey to please contact Professor Devin Fell. The student will then be taken to the participation verification statement section, which by clicking on submit, it will record the participant's response and will access the participation page for the student to screenshot or take a picture so they could provide to their professor for any given extra credit.